how to edit site header in Squarespace quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to edit your site header on Squarespace. So let's get into it. First of all, you can log into your squarespace.com and you will get right here. Then you're gonna select the website you want to edit. I will select this one. It will take me to my Squarespace editor. Make sure to select the home page and then you can edit the header. The header also depends on your template that you have selected. So I have this header right here currently. Click on the header and you will get the edit site header. Click on it. It will show you all of the options. Now the first option is site title and logo. Here I will edit my site title, enter the logo as well. Then we have different elements. We have button. If you want to show a button on your header, then you will enable this option or disable. Social links. If you want to add social links in the header, you will enable this option as well or disable it. Then we have the language switch and card option. So the language switch will look like this. You can actually get a preview right here at the top. You can see as I am making changes, it's showing me right here. So it has socials now, and if I disable them, they are disabled from here. Moving on, we have style. So click on style right here. It is the dynamic style header. We can go with a gradient as well. So if I click on gradient, my header will be changed like that. Now you can see it's like a gradient. Then I can go with a theme or dynamic as well. And then we also have solid. So I don't know why, but I think the gradient one is looking really good. So I'm going to select this one. We also have capacity, we have background color of our header, we have navigation color. Then we have blur background, border, and drop shadow for the settings of this style. And then we have fixed position. So if you want to go with fixed position, then you will enable this option. Or what you can do is you can not fix a position and you will be able to, get it right here. So it's at the top of the screen. You can also get a preview of the header. This is for the global. You can go with a mobile or a desktop view to get the view of your header that you have here. Once you're done, you can just click on done right here. Click on save changes and your header will be changed on Squarespace. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.